You know that feeling? It's 2 a.m. The world is silent, the moon is high, and everyone else is asleep. But you've never felt more alive. Your brain is buzzing with ideas, you're finally in the zone, and the thought of sleep feels like a distant chore. Meanwhile, society is getting ready for its 5 a.m. jog, telling you the early bird gets the worm, and it can make you feel lazy or undisciplined or just wrong. Well, here's the thing nobody talks about. There is nothing wrong with you. In fact, science suggests your night owl brain might actually be your superpower. Here's what's happening in your brain. It all comes down to something called your chronotype. Think of it as your body's internal biological clock, and it's largely determined by your genetics. For early birds, their brain starts releasing the sleep hormone melatonin early in the evening. But for you, the night owl, your brain's melatonin faucet doesn't really turn on until 11 p.m., midnight, or even later. This is why trying to force yourself to sleep at 10 p.m. feels like trying to push a boulder uphill. Your body just isn't ready. So, why would our bodies even have this setting? Evolutionary psychology has a fascinating answer called the Sentinel Hypothesis. For thousands of years, humans lived in tribes. If everyone slept at the same time, the group would be vulnerable to predators. So, evolution favored a mix of chronotypes. The early birds would wake up and guard the tribe at dawn, while the night owls, the sentinels, would stay up late to keep watch through the night. Your urge to stay up late isn't a modern flaw, it's an ancient survival instinct. Your caveman brain is still on watch duty. Now, society tells us that success means waking up early, but this one-size-fits-all model ignores a huge chunk of the population. And here's the kicker. Research consistently shows that while night owls might struggle in a 9-to-5 world, they often score higher on measures of creativity, humor, and general intelligence. A study from the University of Madrid backed this up, linking later sleep times with stronger reasoning skills. Why? Because when your brain is finally in its peak performance window, late at night, you're free from the distractions of the day. This allows for more innovative and divergent thinking. You're not just awake, you're accessing a different kind of focus. So stop fighting your biology. Stop feeling guilty for not being a morning person. You're not lazy. Your peak hours just happen to be when everyone else is asleep. Embrace it. That quiet, uninterrupted time is your secret weapon. You are the modern-day sentinel, the creative thinker, the midnight genius. The world may have been built by early birds, but it's often reimagined by night owls. What other trait do people misunderstand? Let us know in the comments. And for more on how your brain is uniquely wired, check out our video on the psychology of introverts.